Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 62-inch phone tripod and selfie stick. Alright, so today we have received our tripod selfie stick. This one is offered in 4 different colors. You've got pink, black, blue, and silver. I did purchase the pink one because I thought it looked really nice. You have 2 different options to choose in the size. You've got a 62-inch and then there is a 67-inch. This one is the 62-inch and I did get the pink color. So this one is a great selfie stick. It goes from really tiny to all the way up to either if you choose the 62-inch or the 67-inch. So this basically shows you how to mount your cell phone using both of the tripod methods. You got a remote control that is connected by Bluetooth, so you can use your cell phone just by the touch of this button here. You got iOS and Android. So Apple users, you use the top one. Android users, you use the bottom. This one does have a battery in the back, so it is already comes with a battery. So you don't have to worry about replacing the battery. It is inside and it's included. So on the side of the remote control you have the power button. You just lift it up to turn the power on and it will go into pairing mode. So in the instructions manual it'll tell you what the pairing mode code is. So I'm just going to turn this off and go into the tripod modes. Alright, so this tripod stand holder, this one here is for a GoPro. So if you have a GoPro camera and you want to connect this tripod to it, you have the adapter right here. You've got the tightening mode right here, and then you can just connect your GoPro to the top of this one. So you do get that included with the tripod, and then you get a cell phone holder, which is a great thing. So if you use your cell phone and you want to capture things using this tripod, you actually have this included. So this comes up to 62 inches or 67 depending on which size you get. This is an updated tripod that combines the functions of phone and a selfie stick. It's perfect for taking selfies. You can take videos. It does have an adjustable height depending on which one you want. It has a 360-degree rotation, which gives you the flexibility for best viewing angle. It is vertically or horizontally. So this universal phone holder is compatible with all cell phones between 2.8 inches up to 5.7 inches. My iPhone has a screen of 6.7 and it works just fine with this. So it's a universal 1/4 inch screw mount, which is applicable for most digital cameras, action cameras, webcams, and camcorders. So it doesn't matter what device you use to record, you can actually use this, and you can purchase other mounts that will go with this tripod. You can see that the tripod, you can change the length. You can go further out or you can go in. It has a locking mechanism right here, and each one of these unlock just like this, and it lifts it up really high. And then you got the top part where you'll put your cell phone mount or your tripod mount to your Gear 360. So we're going to go ahead and twist this. So it goes up and down, it goes left and right. You can twist it from side to side. So this is a really nice tripod and it locks in place. You can see once you push this down here, all of these ones, they do come up and they all lock in place. If you don't want it super high, you can move them down and unlock them and close them up and they will close right in place. So right here is where the cell phone or your camera goes, and this piece here locks up so it doesn't fall. And once you unlock it, you can actually move it left to right. So now we're just going to put the tripod down. The great thing about this tripod, it is durable. It is offered in 4 different colors to your liking. It is really nice looking. You do get the 2 mounts. You get the cell phone mount. You also get a GoPro mount. You can also purchase different mounts that will go and work with this tripod. If you're looking for a nice tripod to run with your cell phone, your camera, or your GoPro, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. I like the fact that you do get the Bluetooth remote control, so you can control your device from just this remote. You got the options between Android and iPhone, so I'd highly recommend checking out this tripod stand.